I am Jeanne Schumacher, founder of the Plant-Based Academy Network. Today, I want to talk to you about the powerful process of creating a vision board or vision journal and how it can help you tap into the law of attraction to manifest your greatest dreams. We'll be focusing on this in the upcoming class I'm offering. A vision board or vision journal is more than just a creative exercise. It's a tool to align your goals, your dreams, to help you activate the law of attraction, drawing those desires closer to you. In this class, we'll dive into the process of creating and crafting this vision that resonates with your true desires. So, Jeanne, tell me about this exciting opportunity. I'm so glad you asked. Your brain works tirelessly to achieve the thoughts you give your subconscious mind. When those images, affirmations, and statements of your goals are instantly visualized, you're on the path to achieving them. Vision boards, also known as a goal board or a dream board, they act as a compass to keep you moving in the direction of your dreams, no matter what is happening in the world around you. Making your vision board and displaying it where it can be seen daily helps. It will remind you of the bigger picture and just what is your ultimate purpose in life. Creating a vision board is one of the most incredible visualization tools you'll have at your fingertips. It's powerful and it serves as your image of the future. It's a visual representation of where you're going. It represents your dreams, your hopes, and desires for your ideal life. Because your mind responds strongly to visual stimulation, by representing your goals and desires with pictures and images, you're going to strengthen and stimulate your emotions. Your emotions cause vibrational energy that activates the law of attraction. The saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, certainly holds true. So, Jeanne, what is the law of attraction? Again, I'm glad you asked. Great question. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. In other words, a positive mindset will attract more success and happiness than a negative one. And this law applies to all areas of life, including health, finances, and relationships. So how does the law of attraction work? Well, essentially, the energy of your thoughts, they manifest your experiences. So positive thoughts manifest positive experiences and vice versa. In other words, like attracts like. This law suggests that similar things are attracted to one another. It means that people tend to attract people who are similar to them. Take this one step further, in that thoughts do the same thing and tend to attract similar results. While the law of attraction may not be an immediate solution for all of life's challenges, it can help you to learn to cultivate a more optimistic look on life. It may also help you stay motivated to continue working towards your goals. So what are the benefits of using a vision board? Well, the images convey a huge amount of complex information to our brains instantly. This is what makes a vision board so powerful. By representing our life goals and desired future in such an impactful way, vision boards activate our subconscious mind to make decisions that support our top priorities. They also make it easier for us to identify the resources in our environment that will help us make real progress towards our dreams. Your reticular activating system is like the filtering system of your brain. It helps you to focus on what's most important to you while tuning out distracting thoughts and elements in your environment that might prevent you from seeing opportunities that will lead you to your goals. If you don't have a clear direction of where you're headed or where you want to go, it can be very easy to get caught up in things that aren't actually good for you. Creating a vision board is a powerful way of getting to know yourself and what it is you truly want to manifest and to call into your life. Are you ready? Let's dive into this together. Sign up for this incredible experience and get ready to unlock your potential. Before class, I'll share with you what you'll need to gather so you're fully prepared. Don't forget to bring your plant-based dinner and share the recipe with the class. Also, bring along your favorite cup of tea. Let's create a perfect, cozy atmosphere. This is going to be a powerful bonding experience with friends, especially those who are on the same journey. Let's visualize, connect, and grow together.